for our Year 2 presentation assembly. Yes, we've made it. It's Friday, the 17th of December. We're at the last day of the autumn term. Well done, everyone. And as you can see, we're here to celebrate all these amazing Year 2s who have been fantastic throughout this term and earned themselves a certificate. Set them up ready for Christmas as well. What a fantastic early Christmas present for some of you who've earned yourself a certificate today. You won't see a great deal of me though, because you'll just see amazing Year 2. So with much further ado, let's have a look at these wonderful children. Here they are. We're going to start with looking at the top 3 in each class for our presentation assembly this morning. So those that have earned house points throughout this term, and look how close it is for the top 3 as well, and all the house points that these Year 2s have been earning. So you've got Eliza on 19, you've got Sophie on 20, and they've got Lily on 23. How close is that in Miss Beckham's class? And then in Miss Hall's class, we've got Alex on 26, Emily on 28, and Tudor just down on 29. Well done, you 6. You're in class now. Stand up, all 6 of you, and let's give a massive cheer for those guys. Really well done. What an amazing number of house points you've all earned as well. You absolute superstars. Well done. Right, let's find out who's won some certificates as well, shall we? So, moving on, we have, look out, Miss Hall's math stars. Look at these mathematicians. Amazing, look at them. So you've got Marcy, you've got Jack, you've got Caitlin, you've got Ben. Absolute mathematics superstars. Well done, guys. Big smiles on their face. So they should be. Really, really proud of you and enjoy taking your certificates home with you today, you math superstars. Miss Hall's on to for our phonics stars. Those guys working so hard on their phonics to help them with their reading. So you've got Ethan, Anna Maria, Penny and Kobe. Well done, guys. Big cheer for you guys. Big smiles as well. You should be smiling because you've just earned yourselves a phonics superstar certificate for this autumn term. So really, really well done. Great work. And keep it up over Christmas as well. Keep working with your phonics and your reading, please, guys. On to our reading stars. Now, these guys have been reading every single day. It is amazing. So really well done, you Year 2s. We've got Tudor, we've got Olivia, we've got Emily, and we've got Lola May. Really well done. So not only are you taking home a certificate, but you'll be taking home a reading book as well. And in the new year, come and tell me all about your reading book, because I'm sure you will have read it and written lots about it. So well done, guys. And keep up the amazing reading over Christmas. Miss Hall's geography stars. Look at these guys working on their geography, doing their geography throughout as well. So we've got Alexia, we've got Scarlett, we've got Noah, and we've got Dennis. Well done, guys. I'm so proud of you. Really amazing work on your geography skills throughout this term, and keep it up as well throughout next as well. Really well done, guys. Finally, we've got our PE stars. So Miss Hall's PE stars. Now, these guys are really fit, and they've been keeping themselves really, really fit and active as well in all of their lessons as well. So we've got Casey, we've got Kaznim, we've got Vitaris, and we've got Nikita. Well done, guys. Keep it up. Keep it up over Christmas. Keep doing some exercise. Keep working hard and keep yourselves fit over Christmas as well, all right? Well done, guys. Moving on to Miss Begum. Here we go. Miss Begum's math stars. Look at these guys. So we've got Logan, we've got Freddie, we've got Ava, and we've got Lexi. Look at them working so hard on their maths. Big smiles on their face while they're working as well. So really well done. They should be smiling now. You just earned yourselves a math certificate for the autumn term. Well done. Next, we've got our phonics stars. Look at the writing of these guys with their phonics stars as well. So we've got Crystal, we've got Scarlett, we've got Beatrix, and we've got Adama. Well done, guys. I am so proud of you. Look at that amazing writing. Keep working on your phonics. Keep working on it over Christmas. I'm going to enjoy taking your certificate home with you today, you superstars. Well done. Here we are. Look at these geography. Look at them with the maps behind them. Look at these fellas. We've got Isla, we've got Lily, we've got Noah, and we've got Henry. Look at the big smile. So you should be smiling. You've just earned yourselves your geography certificate for this autumn term. So really well done, guys. I'm so proud of you, and keep it up over next term as well. Enjoy taking your certificate home with you today. Our reading stars. Now, these guys have been reading every day as well, and they get to take home with them not only a certificate, but a reading book as well. So we've got Scarlett, we've got Honey, we've got Rayleigh, and we've got Woody. Well done, all of you, you absolute superstars. Great reading. Your reading is amazing as well, and I know you'll do lots of reading over Christmas as well. So enjoy your new books, guys. Enjoy taking your certificates home with you as well. Our PE stars, look at these, look how fit these guys have been. Look at Marley Ray hanging there on the rope. God, look at him using all of his muscles. Sophia, nicely balanced as well. And we've got Bartos as well balanced, and then Sophie there, having just done, you can see Jumpstart Johnny in the background there. So well done, guys, keeping physically fit. Really well deserved. Keep fit over Christmas as well. Try to keep yourself really fit so you're ready in spring term in January to come back even fitter. So well done, guys. Enjoy taking your certificate home. And well done to everyone. A super effort with these certificates. Well done, everyone, indeed. What a fantastic effort from everyone. And it just leaves me to say a very Merry Christmas to you all. I hope you have a wonderful and happy Christmas. And please do all stay safe. Finally, as well, as you can see, back to school on Tuesday, the 4th of January 2022. And the gates will be open at 8:30. It'd be lovely to see you all after Christmas, safe and well. So please do stay safe, stay well, have a very Merry Christmas, and we'll see you all in the new year in 2022. Well done, everyone. Bye-bye now.